Hello and welcome to MyMidjourney.ai. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through how to sign up, log in, start the free trial, and how using our web app to create amazing AI-generated images. First, let's get you sign up and log in. You can sign in with Google or by email and password. If you sign up using email and password, you will need to verify your email first before you can log in. Now, after login, the website redirects you to the setup page. You can subscribe a paid plan, manage your subscriptions, or simply start the free trial straight away. There are some limits we put for our free trial. You can check here before you start the trial. The free trial only valid for 1 month for a new user. After the trial activated, you can see we assign a MyMidjourney token. This is the unique identifier between you and us, and you will need it to do the authorization to use our services. Please don't share it. Now you can start using our web application by visiting the Create page. In the prompt section, just type what you want to draw, in this case, a flying bird. Then you choose the ratio of the image. You can also type an artist name or a style for better styling your creation, but they are optional. Depends on your plan, the speed of image generation varies, and it may take up to a few minutes. For each prompt, we generates for images at the same time, so you can choose which image suits better, and we index each thumbnail from number 1 to number 4. You can choose one of the image as the reference, and regenerate another for images with the same styling and content. Once you picked up the image you want, you can choose the image index and upscale it to get a high-resolution copy. Again, depends on your plan. This operation may take up to a few minutes. And now you can download the image in high resolution, share it or use it in your projects. That's it. Easy, right? Happy creating.